Hey everybody in the YouTube world, it's your friend Carson coming back at you. Figured I'd do a quick little video about the shop. I just cleaned out the shop about a week ago, so I figured it's a good time to do a little video walk around in the shop. I know you guys haven't seen the shop, most of you, in person, and you only get to see one camera angle, so I figured we'll do a walk around. That's the door. There's the window where I get my makeup air, and there's a fan in that window. So come around here, we got my little magazine rack with back issues of The Flow, Area 33 warning upside down. We got the dryer dancing sticker, which is probably the creepiest sticker I've ever seen. Got the Glass Alchemy palette, a couple cool new posters I got. So we come around here, I got a little fire extinguisher. I got this long table that the two of my small kilns sit on. I made both of the kilns that you see on this table. And just back up a little bit here. That's the bench. I got two workstations. Got the Phantom and then my Mirage over there. So Phantom is it's the guest torch. It doesn't get used that much. It's a nice torch though. Got a whole wall of mirrors here. Probably, I think it's 8 foot worth of mirrors. No ventilation. One of the things I think is really important is good lighting. So I have a bunch of lights in here. So yeah, my buddy Jeremy made this piece. I love this poster. We got the North Star palette in there. Show poster. Tags poster and Mountain Glass poster. Got to give Mountain Glass some love. Also, this is product storage. Try to keep everything that's flammable out of the shop, or at least out of the way. Here's my big boy kiln. My buddy Patrick sold it to me. Olympic makes it. And as we come around here, I see I got my disco lights here. I can turn those on. So those are the disco lights. Got my oxygen system here, my manifolded oxygen system with my home fill setup. I'm ramping up to get ready to sell those. I've got the HoSafe wireless IP camera. This is this is the plenum. On the behind here is where the fan is. And here's my bench space right here. Got my foot pedals that I made. And that's pretty much about it, y'all. That's the walk around of Cap Glass Studios. And yeah, so I figured I'd just do a quick little video about that. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you later.